Well, here it says Park Point Lookout Tower. It's extremely windy here. I got the spongy thing on here, so we're going to be hiking up this trail up here, uphill. So the kids got to get going here. All right, picking them up, putting them down in the wind. Well, I'm a little huffing and puffing coming up that steep trail. Very windy. Hope I don't lose my hat here. All right, now we're coming down a little bit, which means we're going to have to come back up again here. So overcast day, temperature about 49 degrees Fahrenheit. Very windy, cold.
Is still in Colorado.
Well, we started our trip in Durango, Colorado, and about an hour drive from Durango is Mesa Verde National Park. And today we're at Park Point. Well, it's cold and it's windy up here, very, very windy. And but you get a good view of almost the four corners of four different states if you look out over the whole area. So we spend some time up here, and you can see on the map here where we are. You are here, so and we're looking out there and having a nice view, but very windy and not the best day either with the overcast skies. Okay. It's cold, it's windy, it's cold. Well, this is the fire lookout tower here. That we're up here. Well, the fire tower sign says that it's closed for the season, and what it does during the fire season is it, of course, looks for fires. It does weather reporting also. It does, handle all the radio traffic for the firefighters, etc. Any first aid that's needed. And they got a real good observation point here for sure. This is a view from the fire lookout station here. Yeah, high point here to look out for many, many miles for fires and whatnot out here. Good view. Very windy today, very, very windy here. Okay, so there's the rest of our group, and I'm at the back of the pack here. We're going back downhill. Downhill's a lot easier for the kid here. So, yeah, get back in the van. So even with 2 layers on here, the wind is still blowing through my 2 woolly layers here. I might have to put the rain jacket on top of this to break some of that wind.